Welcome to Penny to Power. I recently received a comment from one of you asking how to transfer USDT from an OKX wallet to Binance. So, in today's video, I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. Plus, we'll discuss the importance of keeping your seed phrase safe and why it should never be shared publicly. Let's get started. Section 1. What is a seed phrase? Before jumping into the transfer process, let's talk about the seed phrase. This is essentially the master key to your wallet. If someone has it, they can access and control your funds. Here's an important rule. Never share your seed phrase with anyone, not even with someone who claims to be customer support. Keep it private and secure. Section 2. Transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. Now, let's move to the main part, transferring your USDT from OKX to Binance. Follow these simple steps. Step 1. Get your Binance deposit address login to your Binance account. Go to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Click Deposit and choose USDT as your coin. Select the network you want to use, e.g. TRC120 for low fees or ERC20 for Ethereum. Copy the deposit address shown on the screen. Step 2. Access your OKX wallet. Open the OK app or website and log in. Navigate to the Withdraw section and select USDT as your coin. Paste the Binance deposit address you copied earlier. Step 3. Confirm the transaction. Choose the same network you selected on Binance, e.g. TRC2020 or ERC20. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Double-check the details and then confirm the transaction. You may need to complete a 2FA, two-factor authentication step for security. Step 4. Wait for confirmation. Depending on the network, it may take a few minutes to process the transfer. Once completed, your USDT will appear in your Binance account. Section 3. Wallet security tips. Now that your USDT is safely transferred, let's talk about keeping your wallet secure. Tip 1. Never share your seed phrase or private key with anyone. Tip 2. Enable 2FA, two-factor authentication, on all your accounts. Tip 3. Use hardware wallets for long-term storage of cryptocurrencies. Tip 4. Always double-check the address and network before sending any funds. I hope this guide helped you transfer your USDT from OKX to Binance and understand the importance of wallet security. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency tips and tutorials. Let me know in the comments if you have more questions or topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching and stay safe with your crypto.